Okay, hello and welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how to add this effect where your text is between the foreground and background. Yeah, it's very commonly used and you can use this for your intros and for your travel logs. Okay, and this tutorial is meant for beginners, not for advanced FCP editors. So let's start. Let me show you how to do this. So on my timeline I have a clip. I have added this title called subscribe. Okay, so I'm going to click on my subscribe title and I'm going to go to my inspector over here on my right, and I'm going to click on this icon over here, which is a film icon, and then I'm going to look for my blending mode, which is inside compositing. Yeah, so right now you can check the blend mode is at normal. That's why this text is right now over my video. Yeah, so I want to put this behind, in between the sky and this man sitting here. Make sure you have a video which is similar looking, which has a good contrast, which has a foreground which is in dark. Yeah, so make sure of that. And right now let's go to blend mode in your inspector, and I'm going to change this to darken. Yeah, and you can see how easily this font has just gone behind my object which is in foreground. Yeah, so this is how simple this trick is, which you can use and you can apply to your travel logs or for your YouTube videos. I'll show you what I have done here and how you can use this. Yeah, if you have something to tell through one shot or two shots which are similar, you can use this effect for your videos. So basically we tried to play around blend mode inside FCP10, and hopefully this was useful for you guys, and please don't forget to subscribe me on my YouTube channel, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I'll be experimenting more with my knowledge and try to bring it to you guys. So thank you so much and see you guys soon in next tutorial. Thank you so much.